Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is one curriculum, one nation. And see what is the topic for today, and our today's topic is he or she. It means that by the end of this lesson, students will be able to use he or she correctly. So what I am going to do, I am going to show the flashcard of a girl to the student. So look at here. Who is she? Who is she? A girl. Students, this is Saima, and Saima is a girl. Saima is a girl. Saima is 5 years old, and Saima lives in Lahore. Saima reads in KG, and she likes to eat bananas. And what's wrong? Saima. Okay. Look at here. Who is he? He is Manzar. Manzar is a boy, and Manzar is 6 years old, and Manzar reads in grade 1, and Manzar lives in Islamabad, and Manzar wants to be a pilot. Manzar. Okay. This is Saima. She is a girl. She is 5 years old. She lives in Lahore. She likes to eat bananas. And this is Manzar. He is a boy. He is 6 years old. He lives in Islamabad, and he wants to be a pilot. This shows that for a girl, I have used the word she, and for a boy, I have used the word he, she, he. Now what we can do, we can paste the pictures of a boy or a man or a female here, and we can structure some sentences. We can write some sentences here. Now look at here. This is Saima. This is Saima. She is a girl. She is a girl. And look at here. This is Manzar. He is a boy. Manzar is a boy. He is a boy. It means that the word she is used for the female and he is used with the male. She is used for a girl and he is used for a boy. Very good. Okay, students. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to write 2 words here. Read with me. He, she. If you are a boy, you are going to use the word he. And if you are a girl, you are going to use the word she. Now, if you are a boy and you use the word he, kindly stand up. Good. Now, if you are a girl and you use the word she, kindly stand up. That's good. Sit down. Very good. After this, what we can do, we can introduce the page of the book on the board. We can have the flashcards of these pictures and we can introduce this page on the board like this. So look at here, read with me. This is Miss Anural. This is Miss Anural. Anural is a girl or a boy? Girl. Dash space is a doctor. Doctor. This is Miss Anural. Space or dash is a doctor. What do you think so? We need to write he or she. Anural is a girl. Then we are going to write here she is a doctor. Good. Now look at here. This is Mr. Nasir. Nasir. Mr. Nasir. Is he a boy or a girl? He is a boy. Boy. Then space or dash is a farmer. Farmer. What we are going to write here? He or she. Mr. Nasir is a boy. So we are going to write here he. After doing this exercise on the board, we can invite students to open their books and firstly to read the book, the exercise or the content given in the book, and then to solve this content individually. Dear teacher, I humbly request that kindly spend 2 to 3 periods for the clarification of this very topic. You can design some worksheets. You can assign the homework based on the worksheet where students can practice the use of he and she in the written form. Thank you very much.